मेरा नाम देसी फिरंगन है। आज मैं आपको देसी बेकरी दिखाऊंगी। चलो चले। ये दुकान की स्पेशलिटी है, which is Desi ghee biscuit, not biscuit but biscuit. It's amazing. So most of the things that we can find in these Desi bakeries are part of every Indian's childhood. So it's still appreciated and it's still like a hard thing to come here and eat the traditional biscuits of the city, because each city or each shop has their own special biscuits or traditional sweets that you can get. Biscuit everywhere. So as you can see, there is like an infinite number of varieties of biscuits. Whatever will come to your mind, there is a biscuit for it. There is atta biscuit, Desi biscuit, coconut biscuit, almond biscuit. There's no limitation to creativity for Indians when it comes to biscuits. Alright, so sir, explain to me that this is rusk and this is cake rusk. And there is a very big difference for Indians between those two things. Because this is like, a child's favorite thing to eat.
For anybody, for a child or for an adult.
Interesting. So this is much sweeter and it's with eggs.
Yeah, it's without it.
This one is without. But some are also with egg, right?
Yeah, with egg also.
You have also. So he will show us the cake rusk that is with egg, and this one is without egg. In India, it makes a big difference because some people don't eat egg.
This one is.
This one is with.
This one is more delicious.
This is softer. So the one with the egg is a little bit softer. Without egg is a little bit drier, but both are really delicious. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. When I came to India, what I found really bizarre are those 3-layered sandwiches. See, he's so happy. Biscuits make people happy.